So this is 2016 C7 Z06. My name is Georgi. Today Steven is not with us, he's busy. So I took a customer for a test drive. This is our 1000 horsepower 93 octane package. Manual car, so we're gonna do some rips, do some pulls, so enjoy. Let them go first. I'll do a little burnout.
Fast cars and fast food. Today I have both for you. Standing behind me, 2016 C7 Z06. The owner of this vehicle owns multiple franchise Whataburgers here in the Texas area. Whataburgers is one of my favorite franchises, especially when it comes to fast food restaurants. Open 24 hours. So when they're working on cars late at night or early in the morning, they got our fix for us. So let me pop the hood in this thing and show you what we did to his vehicle.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late model Racecraft. We talkin' or we racing?
All right, well, this customer wanted more performance, obviously, and he wanted this sound. So we went with our most efficient package that we offer with the stock LT4 short block, which is our 1000 horsepower package. So we remove the 1.7 liter supercharger. We install the Magnuson 2650, which is a very efficient supercharger. At the same time, the engine comes out of this thing. We put our new camshaft in it, lifters, valve springs, all the stuff that we normally do, even with our 850 package and our 800 horsepower packages as well. As always, we run American Racing stainless steel headers all the way back. And again, this customer wanted this car to be a little bit louder than stock all the time. So we went with a Corsa catback exhaust system on this thing. This package here on 93 octane makes 850 rear wheel horsepower very reliably. I think this one stopped at 867 rear wheel horsepower. We can make those kind of numbers with a stock supercharger that's been ported, but we have to run like E85 or race gas to come up with those kind of numbers. So this is our most efficient package for 93 octane. This is a car that you can hop in, drive every day, and go get gas at any gas station you want. 91 octane for the West Coast guys, or 93 octane for here in Texas, and you have a very reliable car. Also, this package, I try to steer customers that are more into, I say, using the vehicles. If they want to go play with their friends on the weekends and do 6130s, I usually try to steer them with the 2650 because it is more efficient, where it doesn't create the heat that the 1.7 liter supercharger does. So when you make pulls back to back to back into your buddies, you're still making the 850 rear wheel horsepower all the time. So y'all can see from the outside, he has this thing wrapped to look like the Whataburger orange when he's at his work. It even has, I didn't even notice this until after dynoing it, a little logo on the wrap itself. But the wheels and tires, calipers, everything looks good. Now I will say, with the Michelin's on the back right now, I'm going to go ahead and put on my set of Ford's lines with some Toyos on it, because it is a manual car. Any manual cars making over 850 rear wheel horsepower usually have traction problems, so I'm gonna put our 18-inch wheels and tire package on this thing and go out and go test drive it and see what she does.
What do you eat whenever you're at Whataburger?
The number 3.
What's that?
The triple meat combo, triple cheese, onion rings with the peppercorn ranch. Maybe some chicken wings.
What kind of ketchup do you get?
I use some peppercorn ranch. If I do ketchup, it's a spicy ketchup.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's only fitting we're at lunch at Whataburger today. When we get back, we're gonna go test drive 1,000 horsepower package. C7 Z06 just finished up. The owner of the vehicle owns a couple of these franchises, so check back here in a few for some action shots.
Late model Racecraft.
Just like you like it.
Traction control on. Third and fourth. Now, put it in track mode. Turn traction control all the way off. We'll put it in race mode. And with these, with the 18-inch wheel and tire on it, I mean, it might haze the tires in second gear, but I think it'll hook up pretty damn well. Oh, come on, weather. Stay away. Screw it. I'll make a pull right now. Man, like I said, most people, second gear, second to third like that, it throws you back in the seat so bad. I'm glad I made that pull, because here comes a little bit of rain. Golly. All right. Well, that was fun. Again, the weather's been horrible here lately. The sun will come out for like an hour and think we're all good, and then all of a sudden it just comes to shit again. But for now, I think we will end this video here. This car is staying in Texas. Like I said, he owns a few Whataburger franchises, so those of you from out of state, if you haven't had a Whataburger, definitely need to try one. Those of you that follow the channel, guys, I greatly appreciate it. As always, comment below. Like I said, I think we're like 3,000 subscribers away from that 100,000 subscriber mark. Please send our channel to some friends out there that might not subscribe to our channel already. If they're gearheads and like to see the stuff that we do, please send them our links, and hopefully they'll subscribe to the channel and like it as much as you do. But yes, comment below. As always, what future stuff would you like to see on the channel, whether it's more drag racing, road racing, or just more stuff like I do here, or more builds in progress. I think, again, sorry I keep rambling, but this LT4 platform, 1,000 horsepower, reliably, that you can just drive every day, put 93 octane in it. Look, it's not even raining over here. It rains right there on my spot, and it's not raining right here. It drives me nuts. But to be able to drive a car like this with pump gas in it, and then also know in the future, like this thing right here is only at like 14 and a half, maybe it peaks 15 pounds of boost. If the customer ever wants more, we can either tell them to put like a fuel additive in it and add some more timing to it, or spend money on a fuel system and run E85 on it, and then you will have a 4-digit 1,000 rear wheel horsepower very easily. So again, this is a perfect setup for you LT4 guys out there that actually want to, I say, use the vehicle more, like you actually want to race people 60 to 130 a lot, or just want that extra horsepower. Some people buy this package and they just like to go out and play by themselves, On the weekends, just, you know, short bursts, 60 to 100. Some do 60 to 130s, but it's geared more towards the customer that uses the vehicle more for different activities, just because of how well it runs and reliability, because you're spending the extra money for the 2650 supercharger over the stock one, because it's more efficient and because you can make the horsepower without having to run E85. So again, I'll stop my rambling and end this video here. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.